Today for Tony, we are going to carry out a comprehensive rejuvenation of his face. So the biggest issue that Tony notices are the deep folds here, okay? And I absolutely agree, they're really distracting for the face and we need to get rid of them for him, or at least soften them. To do that, I'm going to start by creating some lift up here in the cheek. Now what we don't want to do in the male face is create a high cheekbone like we often do in the female face. So the volume is going to be in the cheek, but it's going to be further back and lower down. So this sort of area here to give us a little bit more lift. But no matter how much lift we get over here, this is still going to be quite full. So we're going to have to put some fillet in here as well. The next thing that we're going to do for Tony is move down to the chin. The chin can actually be a really useful feature in the male face because a strong chin is associated with character, and classically a handsome male face usually has a prominent chin that sits beyond the lower lip and is quite square in shape. So we're going to bring the chin forward, going to square it off a little bit, and we'll blend it in a little bit at the jawline as well, and that will help to improve the appearance of the lower face. Sound good?
Sounds great.
So we're going to start with the cheek. And in Tony's cheek, because he's really quite hollow, I'm actually going to use quite a thick filler called Juvederm Volux, which is one of the thickest products that's available on the market. I normally use this in the lower face, around the chin and jawline, but actually in Tony's case, I think this is going to give us a better lift. So we're using it at the cheek as well. Okay. I'm actually going to do a little bit at the angle of the jaw back here as well. Again, just because a nice broad jawline is quite a masculine look, and it's going to help us to get some more retraction to the lower face. Okay. So far, all we've done is inject the back part of the cheek and the back part of the jaw, and already we can see that that has really helped soften the fold on that side compared with the other side. Are you finding this?
Don't feel a thing.
That's what we like.
Surprising.
I think sometimes when people see the length of these cannulas, they assume it must be painful, but actually it's usually pretty painless. Okay. So again, I'm just restoring a little bit of width to the jaw angle, which helps to lift and masculinize the face. Good. And now I'm going to move on to the chin. The male chin should come just in front of the lip, and in Tony's case it's sitting quite far behind the lip. So we want to bring that forward. We want to make it a little bit more square, and then we're going to have to build up this area here so that it blends in with the lower lip as well. Okay. So loads of Volux. Remember, we're going for Disney Prince chin. So I'm now going to just square off the front of the chin. And again, there's some really important blood vessels down here that I just need to be careful of. So I'm doing a nice long aspiration first. And just turn slightly that way. Right? Okay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, all right. Good. So we're just building up some width to the chin now, so that it blends in with the jawline. Tony, this will feel strange for the first couple of weeks. It'll probably feel quite hard and lumpy. It's just because of the product that I'm using. Eventually it will just feel like your own chin again. And it'll just take a wee bit of time. So now just blending the chin with the lower lip. So that again it all just looks nice and harmonious. And this is one of the things that I like about treating the chin with filler rather than a chin implant, because with a chin implant you can augment the bone at the bottom, which is what we've already done. But with filler, as well as doing that, you can also blend the chin more with the lip, so you end up with a more harmonious look. Okay, good. And then just lie back a wee second again. And lift your chin a wee second. Thank you. You okay? Now that we've created the structure, the folds look less, but we still need a little bit of filler directly into the fold to take away the depth of it. So I'm going to put a wee bit into the mid face as well, just because I need it to give me my lift here. Okay? Fear not, it will look fabulous. We're getting there. Definitely getting there. Another Ultra, another Volux on the chin.
Oh my god. You know, it's like that film Death Becomes Her, isn't it? Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you.
And it will look better when it gets a chance to settle into place as well.
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
Thank you.